Hi, to learn Java, we're going to use Eclipse IDE, Integrated Development Environment. We can create Java project, Maven project, other, like test.ng. I'm going to click File, New, Java project. Enlarge, provide project name. Click Finish. A new project is created under Package Explorer. Expand it and expand the source folder. Right-click at this file and remove it. Delete it. Click OK. Under Source folder, we're going to create new 4 packages. Right-click, New, Package. New package, Java Basics, is created. Right-click again, Package. Second package, Java Methods, is created. Once again, third package, Java Object-Oriented Programming, added. Right-click, New Package, Java Storage is created. Altogether, I added 4 new packages: Java Basics, Java Methods, Java OOP, and Java Storage to Java Foundation project. See you in the next lecture.